So new topic, carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. R COOH. RCOOH. So these are also known as secondary suffix of carboxylic acid, oic acid. Secondary suffix of carboxylic acid is oic acid. Generally, we have common names and IUPAC names for some compounds. For example, take HCOOH. Generally, IUPAC name is very easy. What is the IUPAC name of HCOOH? It is methanoic acid. One carbon, methanoic acid. It is IUPAC name, methanoic acid. And CH3COOH. The IUPAC name of the compound is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. And CH2COOH. The IUPAC name is propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. And CH3, CH2 and CH2 and COOH. Butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. The IUPAC name is butanoic acid. Understood? Here, what are the common names of the compounds? See, another one also there. That is, another one is CH3, CH2 and CH2 and CH2COH. Total carbons are 5. It is known as pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. About common names for these compounds are important. Common names for these compounds are important. Okay? IUPAC names are, but common names of these compounds are very, very important. What are the common names of these compounds? The first one is HCOOH obtained from red ant. Red ant. In Greek language, red ant means formica. It is obtained from red ant. Red ant. Red ant in Greek language is formica because all are obtained, all compounds are discovered by Greek scientists. Hence, all names are proposed by Greek scientists, hence Greek language. According to Greek language, it is obtained from red ant. Red ant is known as formica in Greek language. Hence, it is known as formic acid. Formic acid. Formica means red ant. Red ant. Formica means red ant. And say I will write here formica. Formica. It is Greek language. In English it is called red ant. Red ant. See, another one is second one. The second one is obtained from acetic acid. Second one obtained from ethanoic acid is also known as acetic acid. Why it is called acetic acid? Because it is obtained from vinegar. Vinegar in Greek language is called acetam. See here, it is acetic acid. CH3COH is obtained from vinegar. So acetam. Acetam means vinegar. Vinegar. And next, propanoic acid is also known as propionic acid. Propionic acid. See, propionic acid is known as Propane means fat. Propane means fat. It is obtained from fat, and it is called propionic acid. 4 carbons, common name is butyric acid. Butyric acid. Butyric acid. See, Butyrum is known as butter. Butyrum is known as butter. And pentanoic acid is obtained from valerian plant, root of valerian plant, hence it is called valeric acid. Valeric acid. Valeric acid. It is obtained from root of valerian plant. Root of valerian plant. So it is about common names of these acids. Understood? These are common names of the acids. Write down. About dicarboxylic acids, about dicarboxylic acids. Dicarboxylic acids. Dicarboxylic acids. See, generally COOH and COOH. IUPAC name ethane dioic acid. Ethane dioic acid. This is known as IUPAC name. And CH2, COOH and COOH. The IUPAC name is propane dioic acid. Propane dioic acid. And another one is CH2, COOH and CH2COOH. It is butane dioic acid. Butane dioic acid. Butane dioic acid. And next CH2 and CH2 COOH COOH. It is pentane dioic acid. Pentane dioic acid. Pentane dioic acid. Now, and the last one is, it is pentane dioic acid. See, what are the common names of these compounds? Common names. Say IUPAC names over, now common names. The first one, common name of the compound is oxalic acid. Oxalic acid, common name. That is COOH, COOH is known as oxalic. Common names are very, very important. In these compounds, common names important for objective. So everyone must follow common name, which is very, very important. Oxalic acid. What is the second one? Malonic acid. Malonic acid. Malonic acid. What is the third one? Butane dioic acid is known as succinic acid. Succinic acid. What is the fourth one? Glutaric acid. Glutaric acid. So, common names also very, very important for the compounds. Common names also very important for the compounds. Okay, right now. Now, see, if you observe another one, take another compound is CH2 taken for COOH, COOH. So total carbon 6. See, observe. What is the IUPAC name? Hexane. The IUPAC name is hexane. Hexane dioic acid. Hexadioic acid. Hexane dioic acid. It is also known as adipic acid. Adipic acid. It is also known as adipic acid. Understood? It is also known as adipic acid. Now, so another one is, see here, COOH is known as oxalic acid, and CH2 COOH and CH2 COOH. 4 carbons is known as succinic acid, 5 carbons is known as glutaric acid, 6 carbons is known as adipic acid. 6 carbons is known as adipic acid. Now, the next one is, see, if you observe this, 3 carbons, 2 carboxylic acids completed. Now, if you write CH2COOH, CHCOOH and CH2COOH. See, what is the IUPAC name of the compound? Yes, it is propane. Yes, tricarboxylic acid. Tricarboxylic acid. Propane tricarboxylic acid. It is also known as propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. See, propane propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid, and it is known as carbolic acid. The common name is different. Carbolic. అందుకే డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటాయి చెప్తా. కార్బాలిక్ యాసిడ్. ఇప్పుడు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ బాగానే ఉంది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఇందులోనే కౌంట్ చేయకూడదు ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉండేటప్పుడు. అంటే మీరు ఇలా తీసుకోవడానికి అవుతుంది, కానీ మిడిల్లో ఒక COH ఉంది కదా, ఓన్లీ COHకి ఆ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. అందుకని COH మిడిల్లో ఉండేటప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఈ 3 నెంబర్సే చెప్తాం. ప్రోపేన్ చూసారు డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది, నేమ్ సరిపోదు అనమాట, రూల్స్కి ఒబే చేయదు, అందుకని అలా రాస్తాను. అయిపోయిందా? నెక్స్ట్ అబౌట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు ఆరోమేటిక్ కాంపౌండ్స్లో బెంజిన్ ఉండి COH ఉంటాయి. ద IUPAC నేమ్ ఈస్ బెంజిన్ కార్బాక్సిలిక్ acid, or it is also known as benzoic acid. What is the common name? Common name also benzoic acid. దీని కామన్ నేమ్ కూడా benzoic acid. Next chart. It is CH to COOH. What is IUPAC name on it? It is C. 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. It is IUPAC name. 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. That what is common name? Phenyl acetic acid. Phenyl acetic acid. It is the common name is phenyl acetic acid. Common name phenyl acetic acid. Next. COOH. What is the IUPAC name of the compound? Benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. See, what is the IUPAC name? Benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic. What is common name? Phthalic acid. Common name is phthalic acid. Understood? Here, benzene and COOH is called benzoic acid, and benzene and CH2COH is called 2-phenyl ethanoic acid, is also known as phenyl acetic acid. 2 COOH groups attached to benzene ring is known as benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid, is also known as phthalic acid. Now, listen. If you write 2 COOH groups exactly opposite, it is called benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid. What is common name? Terephthalic acid. Terephthalic acid. Right. So these are IUPAC names and common names of the compound. All are important. All are important for object examination. JEE means కూడా చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. చూసారు ఎన్ని నేమ్స్ ఉన్నాయో నోట్ చేస్తాం. So IUPAC names and naming of carboxylic acids completed. Naming of carboxylic acids completed.